Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find old emails in Gmail. To find old emails in Gmail, start by opening Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are logged in. At the top, you will see the search bar. This is the main tool that will help you quickly locate older messages without scrolling for a long time. Click in the search bar and type older then followed by a time period, such as 1 year or 6 months. For example, type older underscore then :1 to see emails older than 1 year. Press enter and Gmail will show only the emails that match that time range. You can also search using exact dates. Click the filter icon on the right side of the search bar. A form will open. In the date field, choose a date and select whether you want emails before or after that date. Then, click search. Now Gmail will display emails from that time. If you remember who sent you the email, type from followed by their email address or name. You can also use the subject if you remember words from the subject line. Combine these with date filters to narrow down results. To search using the storage size, click on the size and choose greater than or less than. After that, type the size to find emails according to your filters. This often brings up older files or attachments you may be looking for. Use these tools together to quickly find any old email without wasting time. Thanks for watching.